How to see who viewed your TikTok video. This is a new update of TikTok where now you can see who viewed your TikTok videos. Previously, you could only see number of views and the reason of the viewers. But now you can also see the person who viewed your TikTok video. To get started, open up TikTok and then tap on your profile. Next, open up the video where you want to see who viewed your TikTok. Now on the bottom, you'll see an option for views. Currently this video has 2 views. If you tap here, it will show you the viewer's name. So this is the account that viewed this TikTok video. It will also show you the people who commented and liked the video. But the one thing that you'll need to remember is the view history will only be available within 7 days of you posting the video. After it crosses 7 days, then the viewer history will not be available. So that's how to see who viewed your TikTok video.